In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up or slow down videos in Davinci Resolve 16 in 2021. First, you want to open up Davinci Resolve, then drag in a clip of your choice that you want to speed up or slow down, as I did here. And now that the clip is in your timeline, there are several options. So first thing you can do is left click the clip that you want to change the speed of, then right click it and click change speed over here, and then this pops up, or you click the clip, and in this window where it displays your video, you see these 7 options beneath it. What you want to click is this little speed icon right in the middle, and then there's this one, and then there's the time of your, this is the duration or length of your clip. So what you can do now is speed it up by clicking and dragging it to the right, which increases its speed. So let's say we go to 2. So now the clip is half as long, so twice as fast. See? If we go to 0.5, the clip is twice as long, so half as fast. Now, if you have a longer clip and you only want a small section to be slow motion, for example, you can drag it to wherever you want it to be. So let's say here, click the scissors icon on the left, which says split clips, split 1. Let's say the next frame we want to, here, split again. And now we have 3 parts of our original clip. We want to slow-mo this middle part. So what we're going to do is click the middle part, go back to our speed up section, hover over the speed, left click, and slow-mo to 10%. So what you will see now is this will be slowed down. See? This is very much slowed down, so it looks kinda bad, but you get the point. That's how to speed up or slow down videos in Davinci Resolve 16 in 2021. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.